I think scientists in general love to solve problems. We like to put together puzzles, and if something's easy, it's not very fun. We are motivated by new technologies because we're engineers, but we're also motivated by impactful work. Melissa Skala, I'm an investigator at the Morgridge Institute for Research, and I'm an associate professor in biomedical engineering at the University of Wisconsin in Madison. I was talking to a woman whose husband died from pancreatic cancer, and she pointed this out to me. She said, with breast cancer, it's the actual breast cancer survivors that are advocating for more research and better treatment of breast cancer patients. But with pancreatic cancer, most of those patients don't live, so they can't go out there and advocate after surviving the disease. For that reason, I think we need even more people to get behind the cause of pancreatic cancer, because there's just not a lot of people who are surviving the disease who can talk about it. We wanted to work in that space also because the options for those patients are very poor, so we don't have many drugs we can give pancreatic cancer patients that are effective. So it was a space with great need, and it's a space where, pancreatic cancer is on the rise, and we need more people working in this space. It's very under-researched. We want to be able to predict the best patient therapy before the patient actually receives any drugs. So we want to minimize the toxicities from treatments that don't work, and we want to use treatments that do work. So what we've done is developed this optical imaging technique. We call it optical metabolic imaging, and it images single cell metabolism. And we use this on patient-derived tissues. And then we can use those to determine the best treatment strategy for each patient by essentially measuring the metabolism of the cells in response to the drugs that they may get. I think that the funding situation now is very tight, and so people get dismayed when they're working on something that's their life's passion and they want to do it to make the world a better place, but there's no mechanism for them to do that. So at Morgridge, they allow you to take those risks.